I went to Yiddish school. Didn't go to Hebrew school. I went to Yiddish school. And it was, I would say, the happiest memory of my childhood was that Yiddish school. It was Yud Lamed Peretz, and it was wonderful. I would go 4 afternoons a week, Monday through Thursday. It was not religious. We would learn to read and write. We put on lots of wonderful musical plays. I had a wonderful teacher, Sidney, we would call him Sidney de Ruyter, because he had red hair. And he had a wonderful wife who was the music teacher there. And we would put on Jewish shows. And I always had the main part. And I guess I take after my father. And it was just such a happy memory. It was so enjoyable, and the teachers were so wonderful, and kids were all friends, and we were all actually from left-wing families, and my parents and their parents we socialized, and it was a real life. Well, we would go after school, so I would go to public school, and then we walked. It wasn't like today. I was maybe 7 when I started. I'm thinking even maybe 6, maybe 7. And it maybe 3 blocks away from where I lived. I would come home from school, have a snack, and then I would walk there. And we would sit at our desks, and we would do the Yiddish writing and the Yiddish reading. We had lovely Yiddish books for kids. And then the wife would teach us Yiddish songs, and then we would put it, I just loved all of it, really. I loved writing it. I loved reading it. I loved the music. I loved the teacher. I loved the music teacher. I loved my friends. It was just happy. It was lovely. And I think it was such a difference from the way my husband describes Hebrew school, which he went to when he was a kid. I mean, another world.